Another weekend, another chance for winter weather. I was just talking with Kanisha, and it seems like the past few weekends I've been here, we've either had tornadoes or we've either had snow. Well, this weekend we're getting snow. National Weather Service has gone ahead and issued some winter storm alerts that will go into effect 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. Areas shaded in pink, that is a winter storm warning. Areas shaded in purple, that is a winter weather advisory. So what we're thinking is areas shaded in pink look to could see the highest accumulation amount. So notice really along I-65 and towards the west could see anywhere from a dusting to 2 inches of accumulation, and of course areas towards the east, which were the areas shaded in the winter storm warning, could see anywhere from 2 to 4 inches of accumulation. Now, this is not me saying that everywhere is going to be seeing 2 inches of rainfall, so please don't message me on Facebook if you only see a dusting. Forecasting snow is extremely hard. Not only are we dealing with that, we are dealing with a wind advisory. We could see sustained winds anywhere from 20 to 25, wind gusts up to 35. That does include the entire Tennessee Valley, but that'll expire early tomorrow morning. Just seeing some light, cold rain move through the Tennessee Valley right now. That will start to transition once we get into the later portion of the morning tomorrow and into the afternoon. So here's the bigger picture. Notice we're starting to already see that transition in Arkansas, going to be headed towards Memphis here within the next few hours or so. And that's all going to be headed in our direction once we get into tomorrow. So for the overnight, temperatures really going to stay in the lower 40s. We'll see rain continuing. That will continue into tomorrow, but notice these temperatures going to decline throughout the afternoon when we typically see them rise 35 by the time we normally see our high temperature for the afternoon. So let's go ahead and time it out. Here's tomorrow, or excuse me, this is right now 10 o'clock. Still going to be in the lower 40s, going to continue to see the rain move through, but notice this is 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. That's when we can start to see some sleet, some snow flurries transition with that rain, but really, once we get into the 2 o'clock hour, that's when we're really going to start to see some snow move through. And that is if the colder air can move in pretty fast. That's when we'll see that transition. And also, if the melting rate is slower than the snowfall rate, that's when we're also going to be seeing that accumulation happen as well. But by the time we make it into late Sunday into early Monday, going to be clear. We'll see some sunshine on Monday. So I'm not expecting accumulation to last very long if we see any. So road temperatures Monday morning still going to be below freezing, so we could be dealing with some black ice on Monday morning. So here's what our winter impact index is looking like. I'm really expecting, like I said, areas along I-65 and towards the east really going to be seeing the most out of this. So notice areas shaded in yellow, that could be some minor impact, while the area shaded in orange, that could be some moderate impact from the snow. And this does include road conditions out there. So 7-day forecast looks like this: 39 for the high temperature tomorrow. Rain and snow showers Martin Luther King Jr. Day on Monday. 38. It's going to be a pretty cold afternoon out there, but notice we'll warm about 10 degrees by Tuesday. We'll be in the mid-50s for your Wednesday. Isolated rain showers will move through. Then we'll have another burst of cold air on Thursday. We'll be back in the upper 30s. Gradually, we'll warm our way into the lower 40s by Saturday, where we will see a partly cloudy sky. Now we're going to check in with Naomi, and she's going to tell us what's coming up in sports.